May award si Andy. You know what? That's the best award.
Hello guys, welcome sa another vlog. Ito guys, very important, very special day para kay Andy na kailangan talaga mag-sacrifice ng time. Medyo busy tayo sa trabaho pero pipilitin nating maging present sa mga gantong special day ng ating mga anak dahil itong si Andy may mga nakuhang very special awards sa kanyang pagtatapos sa grade 2 dito sa The Philippines School, TPS.
Yo guys, how are you? Welcome sa another video guys. Meron daw award si Andy sa school. So pupuntahan natin. Awardan daw siya dun sa stage. So let's go. Let's go. Having an award?
Yeah, I saw no one is behaved, only me I was behaved.
You're the most behaved in the room?
Yeah.
Very good. That's the best award.
Happy, happy, happy.
You know, shout out to Slick Auto Customs, Alcuz. Let's go. Ani. My God. Kape muna tayo, kape. Shout out kay Josel ng Slick. Thank you sa fitment. The best ka. Galing. Abir. iPad? My God, so expensive. Yeah. May award si Andy. You know what? That's the best award. Most behaved. Saan tayo magpapark? Okay, let's go. Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Nagpapasalamat kami sa TPS at nabigyan siya ng mga award na ganito. Very important guys, okay lang sa akin yung mga gantong award kasi dyan mo makikita talaga na talagang nagpapakabait si Andy sa school, which is very important sa akin. At least hindi siya nambubuli, wala siyang, alam mo yun, okay siya sa school in general.
Can you read? Louder.
Politeness, respectfulness.
Go to your teacher. Andy, go to your teacher.
Throughout the school, they have consistently demonstrated unwavering dedication, intellectual curiosity, and a commitment to excellence that undeniably merits our highest
Ayun guys,
recognition.
I'm so proud as a father. Ganun na din kay Mrs. We are so proud as parents na masamahan namin yung anak namin sa mga gantong event. So, ayun guys, advice lang sa mga parents dyan. Bigyan natin ng oras kasi meron akong mga nakitang mga estudyante doon na hindi nila kasama yung parents nila. Kulang. I-try nating ibigay yung oras natin sa mga gantong event dahil isa sa pinaka-importante sa kanila tong mga to. Kahit ba sabihin natin na ganito lang, yun lang yung award, bla 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 bla. Very important tong mga part ng buhay ng mga bata kasi maaalala nila to habang buhay.
Kainana Simon Amir L. Conduct Awards, Honesty, Obedience, Politeness, and Respectfulness. Millennials Bianca Love A. Conduct Award, Cheerfulness, Helpfulness, Honesty, and Obedience. Rimando Andriana M. Conduct Awards, Behavior, Obedience, Politeness, and Respectfulness. Rona Victoria Jo Conduct Awards, Helpfulness, and Obedience. Best in Co-Curricular Merit, Genuine Top User of Romero Zion Kyle C. Conduct Awards, Attentive. San Jose Ayana Amriel A. Conduct Awards, Attentiveness, Cooperativeness, Obedience, Politeness, and Respectfulness. Sorjo Valentina R. Conduct Awards, Attentiveness, Cooperativeness, Obedience, and Politeness. Congratulations, dear divisions!
Thank you once again.
We shall now have the recession hour.
May I request our pupils from grade 2 to please move or exit at the right side facing the stage and grade 4 at the left side facing the stage.
Congrats! Congrats! Congrats!
Sino po, Mami?
Mag-picture sila, Pang. Congratulations! Yay! What will you say? Thank you. Congratulations.
Ayun, so very happy si Andy. Binigyan na rin namin siya ng konting reward dahil nga nagpakabait siya sa grade 2 sa classroom, sa school. Binigyan na rin namin siya ng konting gift at ayun. Maraming salamat. Welcome sa Remando Squad Vlogs. Pipilitin kong mag-vlog pa sa mga next few weeks kasi medyo busy tayo guys sa trabaho. Maraming salamat. Enjoy your day and please like the page. And we have a YouTube channel also. You can check it out. We have Instagram. Kung interested kayo sa mga content namin, please like and share and follow. Thank you very much. Apir.
What's that, Andy? Another gift? Too much gift?
You like it?
What's that? Can I see? Show it to the camera. Oh, wow. It's a keychain. The lipstick keychain.
Yeah, the one she wants.
And another one? What's that? What's that?
Another one.
Another one? Oh my God. Too much LOL.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.
But Mom used my money. So you say thank you to me.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.